Right, our next topic here for today is heat. We have a question here, but let's talk about heat a bit. So heat is a form of energy that can be transferred from one material to the other. Now the heat can be transferred from a point of high temperature to a point of low temperature. So material that has high heat in it will transfer the heat in the material that does not or there exists little heat. Does not have heat or there exists little heat. Now I have a question here. A quantity of heat 7,500 joules is required to heat brass initially at temperature 26 degrees Celsius to a temperature T. If the mass of the brass is 200 grams and the specific heat capacity is 830 joules per kilogram per Kelvin, calculate the temperature T. Now, this is the question. So, we use given here, what is given in the question? So, the specific heat capacity is 830 joules per kilogram per Kelvin. The mass M is 200 grams. We have to convert that to kilogram. So we have to divide it by 1,000 because 0.2 kilogram. Now, the quantity of heat is 7,500 joules. Okay. Now, to find the temperature difference we use theta representing temperature difference. The difference in temperature is equal to the final temperature minus the initial temperature. Now, the final temperature is always greater than the initial temperature. So we have the final temperature value coming first. We put the subtraction sign and then we put the initial temperature. Now the amount of heat energy needed is given by Q. So Q represents quantity of heat equal mc theta. So the M represents the mass, C is the specific heat capacity, and this is the difference in temperature. Okay, so we do substitution here using the same equation where we have the quantity of heat. Now we remove it and put the value 7,500 equal where we have the mass, we replace it with 0.02 and then the specific heat capacity 830. For the temperature 26 degrees and the T there, we're going to, in the place of the difference in temperature, we're going to put T minus 26. Okay, from there we multiply these two values and then we got 166. We are actually looking for T, so we have to divide this side by 166. We divide this side by 166 as well. So here you see that the two of them will cancel, and then we divide 7,500 by 166 to get 45.18. And across about T minus 26. Now we're just going to hold it unknown on the right hand side, and then we'll do our known solving. So if we hold it unknown here, the 45.18 is positive. So if the negative 26 is coming from across the equation, when it crosses, it becomes positive. So if we add 45.18 to 26, definitely our temperature, final temperature will be 71.18 degrees Celsius. Why we didn't say Kelvin? Because the initial temperature was measured in degrees Celsius. So it means that the final temperature also must end in degrees Celsius and must be measured in degrees Celsius. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, comment, and share the video.